What's up guys, good to see you again on my channel for another video, and today we're gonna talk about this new baby from DJI, the Osmo Pocket, who just came out and I received it a few days ago. So I went out during the day and also during the night in Geneva to shoot some Christmas light and the Christmas atmosphere of the city. So I want to show you what the video from the DJI Osmo Pockets look like. And before starting, I just want to let you know that me and my bro Mike from Drone Supremacy, we give you a chance to win a brand new Osmo Pockets directly from DJI. So I will tell you the condition of the competition at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Okay, now enough wait. Let's start with how I can call this. It's a mix of unboxing, B-roll and intro. It's a kind of intro. It's like 1 minute. Let's go.
1, 2, 3.
So after this quick unboxing, intro, b-roll, whatever. So now I will show you the shot I make during the day. It's gonna be quick. It's not like a big review with my settings and extra. No, I need to wait for this because, you know, the application Memo need to be updated to have the full potential of this Osmo Pocket. Actually, I'm not able to film in DCine-like, for example, so I prefer to wait for having all of this to make a settings video. Today is just a quick review about some shot I made with it during the day and during the night. So now let's start with the shot from forest and high mountain with the snow exterior. Let's go.
Back in the day.
Pretty good. So now let's watch the shot during the night in Geneva. Go.
Yeah. Siege. Riley. Taz. Yeah. Set me free and give me death, there ain't no other choices. When I lay down to go to sleep, I keep on hearing voices. Little whispers in my head, man, is you fake a lawyer? Why no water, death designer, baby, pick your poison. These little demons living underneath my bed, creeping. Know the real monster lives above them all, sleeping. That subtle breathing in your closet every single evening. Thought you never see me again, looks can be deceiving. When they hear the sound of the drum, they'll be saying, oh Lord, here they come. Yeah, here we come. Here we come. Here we come. Here we come.
Okay, so what I think about this Osmo Pocket, it's a really great tool, but it's never gonna replace my main camera because, you know, the quality and the option you get with this is really not the same as main camera like a real DSLR. But honestly, it's a really good thing because you can have this one every fucking day on your pockets and you can shot everything, because you know my main camera, I didn't have it always with me. I can't. It's like I need to have my big backpacks and everything, my different lenses, my microphone, everything. So I think this is a great tool for everybody, and honestly I will use it more and more to see what can I do with it. For the 31 of December, I have a gig in Doha in Qatar. I'm gonna take only this Osmo Pocket with me to make a vlog and tell you in the next video if you can vlog with it or not and what I think about this. But for today, honestly, my first impression is great. The only things I don't like is the fact that when you don't use your phone to film with it, you can only shoot in auto. You don't have access to pro mode, like change your ISO, your shutter speed. So let's talk about the giveaway now. Me and my bro Mike from Drone Supremacy, we make a collab together and we give you a chance to win a brand new Osmo Pocket. You just need to follow the instruction. It's the first link below on description. Just follow the steps. We will tell you the winner soon as possible. And see you for the next video about my vlog trip to Doha with these Osmo Pockets. Ciao.
Yeah. Siege. Riley. Taz. Yeah.